Hello students, I'm Bindi Desai from Saraswat International Academy and will be teaching you 5th Environmental Studies. Chapter number 6, Helper to All. So this chapter we have already discussed. Today we will be discussing the question answers, MCQ and the notes of the following chapter. Lesson number 6, Helper to All. So let's revise about this chapter. In this chapter, we have seen helpers to all. We have learned about the different professionals, how they are helping in our community, in our society, how each one of us is helping one another to make our work easier and very helping to each other. We discussed about many of the professionals like doctors, teachers, artists, air hostess, and many of them in our society which are always being helpful to us. Now, let's start up with the MCQ. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question. The first one is let's start. Which of the following professional works in the post office? See, teacher, we all know it, she works in the school. Postman, yes, he works in the post office. Doctor, we all know clinic and hospitals. Gram Sevak, Talati is working in Gram Sevak. So the answer for this question is postman. The next is which of the following professional works on the border? Indian border, Pakistan border, China border, we all know this, right? So who works on the border of our India? Because options are policeman, no. Conductor, no. Soldier, yes. The answer is soldier works on the border of our country. D is Talati. No, Talati works in the Gram Panchayat. So the answer is soldier. Next, which among the following professionals uses chalk, duster, and books as his or her tools or equipments? Let's see the options. In options, we have doctor, no. Postman, no. Peon, no. Teacher, yes. Peon works in the school or offices. Postman in the post office. Doctor uses stethoscope and injection. So, chalk, duster, and books are the tools of the teacher. Next question is which of the following professional gives judgment to the victims? See, we have judge to give decisions in the high courts. If there is any problem between two parties, the people go to the court to solve the problems, and judge is the person who gives decision who is right and who is wrong. So judge, we found, we are always judge are always seen in the courts, high courts, supreme courts and other courts, judiciary level. Now here and options are gram sevak, no. Judge, yes. Talati, no. Policeman, no. So judge is a person who gives judgment to the victims, either he is right or he is wrong. The decision is taken by the judge. Next, which of the following professional works on the gram panchayat? Yes. Teacher, no. Postman, no. Driver, no. Answer is Talati works in the gram panchayat. Next is fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. First one, an air hostess is the professional who helps us in the aeroplane. Aeroplane, we all know, we fly in the sky. Air hostess is a person, a lady or a gents who helps us in taking our seats and many other facilities they give us. Pilot, we all know, a one who can handle the plane is known as a pilot. Next is a doctor works in a hospital. Yes, in hospitals or personal clinics. Next, third one, a policeman catches a thief and makes him wear handcuffs. Handcuffs is a metal thing which is used by the police to catch the thieves so that they cannot run or move on. So what is that? Handcuffs. And policeman, the role of his is to protect the community, to help the victims. Next, broom is the equipment or a tool of a sweeper. Yes, sweeper uses broom and mops. Next, artist is a professional who makes creative paintings or pictures with brush on the paper. Very true. Artist makes beautiful pictures. So the professional who makes beautiful pictures and paintings with beautiful colors, they are known as artist. 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 Next is a postman works in the post office. Yes. Where does the postman works? In the post office. And what does the postman do? Delivers the letters to different homes. Next, seventh one. 14 November is celebrated as Children's Day. We celebrate many of the days. 5th September as we celebrate as a Teacher's Day, right? 26th January, 15th August, 2nd October. These all are the national festivals which we celebrate. Same way, 14 November we celebrate as a Children's Day, and it is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 14 November we celebrate as Children's Day. Now next we will be discussing is true or false. First one, birth and death records is available in the school. The answer is false. The correct answer is we get all these details in the Gram Panchayat or in the municipality. The records of birth, number of deaths that we can easily get from Gram Panchayat or municipality, not from the school. So the answer is false. Second one, a driver is a professional who repairs our vehicles. No, the answer is false. The correct answer is mechanic. Mechanic is a person who repairs our vehicles like scooters, cars, etc. Next, a driver drives a bus. Yes, true. That is a school driver, GSRTC, any of them. The driver drives a bus or a car. The answer is true. Fourth one, stethoscope is an equipment used to listen to the heartbeat and breathing. True, and it is used by a doctor. Stethoscope is used, it is a tool of the doctor. And what is the use of that? The heartbeats and the breathing can be listened. Next, pliers and wrenches are the equipment of a conductor. No, they are not the equipments or tools of the conductor. The answer is false. The plumber uses pliers and wrenches. Next, birthday of Sri Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as Children's Day. The answer is true. See, we learned here also 14 November as Children's Day. So Children's Day is also the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is true. Now let's discuss the match the columns. What is the professional and what is the role of them? Column A and column B. Teacher teaches, doctor treats patient, policeman protects us, our community, conductor issues bus tickets, engineers builds houses, companies, factories, bungalows, etc. Now let's discuss the following question answers. How different professionals are useful in our community to the people. How each one is connected to each other and helping to each one of us. The first one, policeman. Yes, policeman maintains law and order in a region and protects the people. Judge hears the plea means problems of the people and gives them proper judgment. It gives the proper decision who is right and who is wrong. Hears the problems first, the judge in the high courts, and then give decision or judgments. Next, sweeper. Sweep schools, office, roads, and streets. This we have earlier discussed that the role of a sweeper is to clean the streets, offices, and the equipment or tool used by them is broom and mop. Doctor, yes, again and again the same that treats patients in the clinics and hospitals, gives us medicines, gives us proper treatment with the injection. Next, last, teacher teaches the students and children, give the proper knowledge, give proper updates to the students, encourage them with all the good facilities. The question next is, which we have already discussed in the chapter, that write the tools, equipments of the professionals and how they are useful to us and them. Professional teacher, the tool and equipment used by the teacher is chalk, book, duster. How is he or she useful? Teaches the students in a school. Next is doctor. The tool is stethoscope and injection. Examines the patient and gives the treatments and also medicines. Driver, yes, bus drives the car or a bus, takes us from one place to another. The role of a driver is conductor. It has a ticketing machine as a tool or equipment and issues ticket to us to travel in the bus. We have to pay for the ticket. It is a public property, we can say. Postman, yes, post and delivers post to all the houses. Thank you.